Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Claudie Cooks in the kitchen. Hope you're all doing okay wherever you are in the world. Let's get into what we're cooking today. We've got some jerked, seasoned, smothered turkey wings there for you, and all of the ingredients here that we're using in this recipe will be listed in the link below for you. What are we waiting for, people? Let's get cooking. Woohoo! Okay, let's get these wings ready for the oven. Just going to put a bit of olive oil into the bottom of the tray. We're just going to add some of the sliced onions. I've used 2 onions, some garlic, some carrots, a few of the peppers, a few sprigs of thyme, and some pimento, and chopped tomatoes. Time to layer up the tray with the turkey wings. These wings are super large, and I've got 4 of them. Look at the size of them, really big. They are smelling already really flavorful. Okay, time to add the rest of the ingredients. Just going to layer it all over here. The same that I used to layer the bottom, using to layer the top. Some more whole garlic. And we're just going to reserve some of the thyme and the pimento to make the roux a bit later on. And I'm using the flavors from the seasoned wings with some water, and I'm just rinse that tray out, and I'm just pouring that around the sides. Some butter. Okay, that's about a tablespoon of butter. And now what we're going to do, we're going to cover that with some parchment paper and some foil, and then we're going to put that in the oven, which is being preheated at 190 degrees centigrade and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to cook the wings for about 2.5 to 3 hours because they're very big and we want them to be very tender and falls off the bone. Well, I've wet the parchment paper or baking paper, non-stick ones, and I'm just stuffing it in the sides. And then we're going to now cover it with this. See you back here in 2.5 to 3 hours time, but please don't forget to check intermittently to make sure you have enough water in the tray and it's not drying out and burning the wings. Okay, so I'll see you then. Let's make the roux for the wings. Right, I've got the heat on. I'm going to add some butter. I can turn the fire down a bit. Right, so it's at medium-low. This is about 2 tablespoons of butter. I've got 2 tablespoons of flour. We are just going to incorporate the butter and the flour. I'm just going to cook this out for about a couple of minutes just to take the floury taste away. But I've got just over a quarter pint of chicken stock here, so we're just going to gradually add all of that until we come to a very smooth roux, to a smooth sauce. I'm going to grab my whisk, more stock. Finally, the rest of the stock. Time to add some gochujang paste. You can use tomato paste, some green seasoning. There's a video on my channel how to make green seasoning if you want to make it the same way I am making it. I'm going to add a bit of mustard, English mustard, just 1/4 teaspoon. We're going to give that a taste. I'm going to add to that some garlic and onion granules, some chicken seasoning and all-purpose seasoning. In here I've got some Lea Perrin soy sauce and liquid Maggi, and a bit of honey to taper down the heat, because I've got it a little bit spicy. It's not very spicy, but it's got a bite. And finally, a tin of Campbell's condensed chicken soup, just for extra flavor. Taste test. Tastes amazing. Right, in my haste to make the roux for the wings, I forgot about frying off some aromatics, so I'm moving that to one side, and we're going to add some onion and garlic. We've got some garlic there, some onion, spring onion, and we're going to give those a quick saute so we can add those to the sauce. See you back in a few minutes. Okay, that's done. I'm just going to set it to the side and bring the wings out. They are so tender, smelling amazing. Wow. I'm going to put the rest of the tomatoes on top there. Scotch bonnet, some thyme. Going to put this back in the oven now for about 30 minutes, and I've whacked it up onto 225 and it's on grill, so I'll see you back then. I will be back when I'm plating up. And there you have it, guys, my jerk smothered turkey wings. They are absolutely delicious. You won't regret trying this out. Enjoy. And this is how we're serving our jerk smothered turkey wings for our Sunday dinner. Gungo peas, rice and peas, as you can see, vegetables, mac and cheese and coleslaw. Yummy.